Hey everyone, Mr. Sujano here. 8bitdo just announced a brand new controller, the Pro 2. Let's get started. Alright, to kick things off, for those of you who don't know, I'm a pretty big fan of 8bitdo controllers. I think they make some of the best third-party controllers on the market. Their arcade stick they just released was a lot better than I thought it was going to be, and I did a video on it. I'll leave a link in the description below. And I am also a long-term fan of their SNES style of controller. I did a full teardown a while back now of an 8bitdo controller, and I compared it to the original SNES controller and also the SNES Classic. It turned out the 8bitdo controller was almost identical to the original SNES controller, even more so than the SNES Classic. One of 8bitdo's best controllers has been the SN30 Pro Plus, but that might be changing since 8bitdo just announced the Pro 2. From a quick glance, these controllers look almost identical, but 8bitdo has made a few improvements. Just like the Pro Plus, on the Pro 2 you still have access to button mapping, stick sensitivity, trigger sensitivity, vibration sensitivity, and macros. Both controllers also have 6-axis motion, and they're compatible with the Switch, Windows, Mac, Android, Steam, and Raspberry Pi. Both the Pro Plus and the Pro 2 come in pretty similar colors. Both have USB-C, both have Bluetooth 4.0. Both have a 20-hour battery life, and both have pretty much the exact same battery. So what's different? First up, the Pro 2 is a little bit heavier than the Pro Plus, 6 grams to be exact. Secondly, it appears the Pro 2 has a much better optional phone holder. If you're a mobile gamer and you connect to your phone via Bluetooth, having a phone holder is a pretty big thing. Having a fully adjustable phone holder is an even better thing. Here's what the phone clip looks like for the SN30 Pro Plus. It's pretty much the exact same design as all of the other 8bitdo phone clips. It's not a bad phone clip, especially at $10. My only complaint with this clip is that you can't tilt your phone with it. Your phone is locked in one position. And here's what the phone clip looks like for the Pro 2. It's $5 more, but it's fully adjustable. In my opinion, that is well worth it. On the back of the Pro 2 controller is where you'll see the bulk of the changes. There's now additional triggers. The shell also is textured differently, and there's a switch to change Bluetooth mode. One of the great things about these back buttons is apparently they're fully customizable. 8bitdo says you can assign any button function to them, or even a macro. The front of the controller has an easy button to change custom profiles. You can store up to 3 different profiles on this. Right now they're up for pre-order on Amazon for $49.99, so $50. There are 3 colors: the gray edition, the G Classic edition, which I'm a little bit partial to, and the black edition, which actually also looks pretty good. Now, interestingly enough, it's priced at $50, which is the exact same price as the Pro Plus. I don't really understand this one because the Pro 2 is positioned to be a better controller than the Pro Plus. If you were even thinking about picking up a Pro Plus, I'd probably hold off until the Pro 2 drops. The Pro 2 drops on April 12th, which is in less than a month. I think it's pretty safe to say that I am excited for the Pro 2. I will be buying one as well as the phone holder to review for this channel. But I am still a little bit undecided on what color to pick up. There are 3 great colors here: gray, G Classic Edition, or black. I'm leaning towards the G Classic Edition, but again, I'm not quite sure. If you have a preference, let me know in the comments below. Also in the comments below, let me know your thoughts on the 8bitdo Pro 2, or the 8bitdo Pro 2. However you call it, 8bitdo or 8bitdo, just let me know your thoughts on the Pro 2 in the comments below. If you like this video, leave a like. If you didn't like this video, leave a like. Hit that subscribe button, check out my other videos. Thank you everyone, take care.